One thing keep you till me cause come out I told. I say nah keep Caan and fitness. Everything alright. Everything alright. I go. Everything alright. Everything alright. Everything alright. I go. Pick up here. Back to 50. Get a job. I get 250. I may get 250. We go find one little place go stay. It's alright. We go rent one little hotel. Me and the baby. Come. I don't know. I don't know. Nobody put it. Miss Ivy, come up on the internet and tell him to shut up. Miss Ivy, come up on the internet and tell me. Miss Ivy, come in and one life with me, lower lifestyle. And lower your life. Miss Ivy, say, invite Ducky Dog shit like this and your life. Miss Ivy, say, you're there with such a stinking person, dog bed, yeah. Big dirty dog bed, yeah. Big old Anna. All of them names, them. Miss Ivy, say, me coming in your life, bro. Everything that reflect for me, and the people could baby. Me a junker, but you look a baby, you call your son. All I did have to do is keep him. I just 1 hour and 30 couple seconds. You keep your son in your hand. Since me a bomber class table, you keep your fucking pitney in your hand. I miss your turn. When I tell me, say me have to carry me pitney, go back on me anyway, me go dog. Me bomber class, bro. Whatever they expect you to deal with me. Your little son, brother. Your little son. Your pitney. Watch him. I saw me ask of it. Watch him. I saw me ask him. If you don't watch a little boy, me go do me lash and come back home. That's all. Now break up now. Don't be doing that this time. Daniel left me. Me feel ugly. And me just want to go down here and do me just want to come inside. Because it's up myself. We pretty on myself. We don't like money. We asked Daniel for last time. He said, I have an appointment. And we said, yes. And he said, alright, go and do it. And we said, baby, you watch the baby for me? And he said, yes. And I watch the baby for you. Last night he come and they said we break up and all sort of Shalonga go and put it in and me think say that good a look and the baby and say yo give me pitney and go and go do what you do lady. Make sure you carry your pitney back on you anywhere you go. But it's alright. It's alright. Me not even get at this man. Me not get at this man. Me never did a cause nobody. But I read that in the comment section. Me never did a cause somebody. Only thing me get up and do a bar. And then me get up and do a girl. Me never mention no more than your brother. Me never mention no more than your brother. Why did you say this about? Don't worry, what? Don't worry yourself, man. Me good, man. I really like to just watch your son. They say, hey, baby, watch the baby. Me go do what me and do and come back. And even that me can do. Is it baby lay down on the bed and the first first thing you come to me and tell me about Annie, I come my yard, Annie, I come my yard. Me never tell nobody to come on me yard, and then you go tell me about me mama. Me don't know what the fuck I go and come like a mad. They set me for fucking mad. Yeah, me baby right inside the father. Take up your son, you want to hurt me, you fucker. My father neglect me. My father left me. My father left me. My father left me. And the little boy, they right just like front of your face. I don't even touch him now. You don't even touch the little boy, bro. Last night, I couldn't even put him on to sleep. I don't even take up a baby. It's alright. Me not do nothing to Daniel. Let me tell you this year. Let me tell you this year. Me not do nothing to Daniel. Last night, me cried the whole night. Last night. Me cried the whole night. Last night, and me have like one total idiot. And me come to him and me tell him I'm sorry. We sit down and reason out until he come back and tell me when he came me and yard and tell me say me a low life. Me a low life. And me said, you would have got so far if you try to style me. Why you would have tried to style me? So, remember, see, you take me up same way. You see me with up on the life until we done talk. Me get up in the morning and me say, me baby, I go watch it baby for me. Me go fix up myself. Me not do nothing to myself. Me say, babe. And you wake up and say, babe, what you look for? Me say, me nah look for nothing. Same time, me look for 150 to go up on the road. So me go draw the money, me boom so and go pay the lady and do come back on me yard. You see me? Cause the last time me didn't want look pretty. You see me? And then me turn so, and me say, me go up on the road. Daniel say, make sure you carry your pitney with you. Which baby father gonna tell her that. No, say, one pipe me to fucking make you can't get the fucking pitney with you. And sabotage, blood clot, you make you feel fuck up, dog. I mean, no, Daniel, bro. He knows that me can't get baby with me, bro. So at the same time, we just text the woman and me say, me sorry, me baby, it's like cancel on me, bro. Me go out the door, go wash some clothes. Me go out the door, go wash some clothes. And me come back in. I tell me, say, Anya come on me yard. Me say, oh, she come on me yard. Your mama come in your yard, so no worry, and he call him at the same time. Oh, mommy, I'm such a blessed person, blah, blah, blah. Me not trouble Daniel. Me not trouble Daniel. Every time me love somebody, and he say, why they do to me? I'm weak. Me easy for freaking lash out. You see me? Cause me know in myself so me no do Daniel. No for Daniel that treat me so dog. Me text my best friend one day and me say, G, me want some help dog. If not help me go up on the road. Cause Daniel say, no, why me and him go up on the road? Every time we go up on the road argument, bro. And me understand that and me keep to myself. All me ask him to do, watch your son. Watch your son. You go come to me last night and tell me, oh, pick me and a fear. And then this morning, you tell me about, oh, you go watch your baby. Me get up this morning. Make sure you carry your son with you. Drive off by your bike, go buy your weed, bro. Me not say nothing to you. Me sit down in that fucking. Me sit down the back and I wash your 2 pieces of clothes if you put on the fucking lines. Me can't go nowhere. And me they cry because me feel that weird. And people are treating me like me not in a sense, bro. People are treating me like me not in a sense. A long time you want to get rid of me. Long time. Me not perfect, dog. Me not perfect, I swear. Most of the time them come and me lash out and me cuss and me feel like nobody not listen to me. He's acting this a man and no. And he act like me never said nothing, bro. I like me a trouble him, bro. I'm not trouble Daniel, brother. I'm not trouble Daniel, bro. I'm not trouble Daniel, brother. Daniel feel me understand. So every time I try to get the attention from me, and then Daniel treat me like shit. Then I come up and me the disrespect him not all, bro. Honestly, this man get up and throw one bag of shit after me. And me I said, John was that dog you want to see me in a bumbuck like misery, bro. You see me? I come and tell him about this relationship now work. Dog, a long time you want this, bro. Long time. Me not even go class the body. Cause me a low life just like what you say. Elevate yourself up with good people that. You know not considering nobody. How me I say that? Your son. He baby for you say your son. Why you never take him? You just for freaking hour make me go do what me I do. Still, I wash out 2 pieces of clothes and put it on the line, brother. On the line. Him not go do that. And me I go do that. And my mother, that's my responsibility. Left him right us up on the bed and come back. Right as up me I come back, come see chooks. Right as up me I come back, come see chooks. I want to love me, baby. I love me, baby. I love me, baby. I die. Come here, I know your son. You look like a pity them. You know, bro, like a pity them. Say, I love him. Oh, dear man. I love me, Pitney. I love me, Pitney. I love me, baby. The poor bumbuck like baby. The poor baby. I don't know what God give me pretty pity like you for. You deserve a rich bumbuck like mother. You deserve a mother of sense. You deserve a mother of sense, bro. I want to get the fucking best life treatment I mean never get. Now I got 2 things I mean I got you and me look of it. That's why me always depend by your father. I ain't gonna get us here. I'm 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 gonna get us here. Oh, Father. Even if I left, I don't look for the fucking feet, bro. I'm not growing without my I don't want my father to left me. I'm not like people who pretend to get up this morning. They get up this morning, I'm not chopping it. I always say I'm going to break up, dog. I'm not chopping up. Now, listen, watch it baby for me, please. Me, I said, carry your picnic with you anywhere you have go. And that, me the greatest of cry right now, bro. You never have to say
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry. You never did not be said that. You never did not be said that. Do everything what we have. You never expect your be said that. Don't say your mom, bro. You never tell nobody to come. I mean, let me about to me say. Let's say, boy. They say, boy.
Your mother called me.
Me not cuss you. Me not trouble you. Me already apologize. If you not take yes, so bro, so we can't do nothing. You already fucked up. I mean, just did I do a child to look pretty. I mean, just did I do a child to look pretty. Except watch the little man, your son. You say your son, and me say watch him.
You watch him.
Me got some booms. And you come right here, so you tell me, say, anyway, me and come, must carry me pick the way. And me say, Jaja, why would you look for me and say such a thing? No. Last night, I tell me, say, me, make you have to go in the bush, go. Yeah. I feel like a bummer clap piece of shit. You know, you make people feel like them are low life. Bummer clap that. Never know me tell you out from your rich life, bro. You never know say time when you attack go up and push out go pick man go and feed the little self. You regret everything. You look for everything. You say, look, you say, me make you go in a bush. I'm gonna believe it, bro. And me alone head over heels and me alone and take things personally and put it on my brain. You don't care. Look at thing I see, look funny and smile with him every morning, dog. Every morning I get up and be I'm mad girl, you know, but you have sense. You have sense. You are the one with sense. I deal with me, sir. That's one reason why me not left you. That's one reason why me not left you yet. Because when me fucking have me melt down them. Nobody in